Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Cricut tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how you can upload patterns into Cricut Design Space and use them to alter designs. First thing we need to do is select upload, and on the upload screen here we can see we can upload an image or we can upload a pattern fill. So we're going to select pattern fill, and now we need to select upload pattern. This is really similar to when we add an SVG, so we're just going to browse files, or you can drag your files in as well. Here we can see that I've got some doodle papers that I purchased from Hungry JPEG. I will link their website in the description. Hungry JPEG offer loads of different graphics, designs, coloured papers, pattern papers, everything for you to use when designing. It's a great website. So I'm just going to select one. So we'll select Doodle Love Papers number 10 and open. And there we can see that's our doodle paper. It is obviously going to be a print then cut pattern. And if we're happy and that's the one, we need to select upload. That has now uploaded that into our pattern fill. So I'm just going to do that again with two more for the design I want to use. So this time we're going to have a green one. I'm going to select upload, and for the third one we're going to have this pink one. Okay, so we're really happy with those. We're going to select upload. Now we're just going to cancel out of here. Now we need to find a design. To find our design, head into images, and here I'm just going to type in butterfly, and then down at the bottom I'm going to do an advanced search, and I'm going to select free because I just want to use free designs. Then we're just going to scroll through, see what we like. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to select add canvas, close that, and there we can see now our butterfly is on our canvas. And if we drop down here, we can see that there are three sections to our butterfly. So the stars are one section, the center part of the butterfly is another, and the outer part of the butterfly is another section, and these are determined by the fact they're different colors. If we now want to use our patterns and change the colors, we need to select the specific part of the butterfly that we want to change, and we need to change the operation to be print then cut. Then we need to select the color square. Where it says print type, we need to change that to be pattern, and now we can see the patterns that we uploaded. So for this I'm going to select the green pattern, and we can now see that the outer part of our butterfly has now changed, and we have used the green pattern that we uploaded. So if we now select the center part of the butterfly, again we need to change the operation to be print then cut. Then that will allow us to change the print type to be pattern. So for this one I'm going to use the larger pink design, so select that, and there we can see now the inner part of the butterfly has changed from a solid colour to our pattern. And then finally we're going to do exactly the same with the outer stars. We're going to change the print type to pattern, and we're going to use the other pink design. We have now successfully uploaded three different patterns into Cricut Design Space and changed the look of a design by using those patterns. It's really quick and simple, as you've just seen, to upload patterns into Cricut Design Space. And if we just select the patterns again, there are plenty to choose from to get you going. If you haven't got any of your own that you want to upload, then you can use some of the default patterns that are already within Cricut Design Space, and as you can see there's plenty to choose from. But if you've got your own patterns you want to upload, that's a really quick way that we can upload them and how we can use them to change designs inside of Cricut Design Space. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.